we'll guide you through how to fix your Samsung TV remote not working, and this guide will also apply even if your remote looks different to mine. The steps should work. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and also liking the video. So the first thing you need to do is just go onto the back of your remote like this, and you want to go and remove the battery cover. So you just press your finger on it like this and then slide it, and you can then take it off. And then what you need to do is go and remove the batteries. So we can just go and take them out like this, or maybe this top part here. And once you go and take the first one out, take the other one out as well. And then what we need to do is also go and unplug our TV. So go to the wall where it's plugged in and unplug it for 60 seconds. So after you've unplugged it, then what you want to do is, while you wait for that 60 seconds to pass, go onto your TV remote, and I just recommend sort of pushing the buttons, just sort of each one once, just to make sure all the power has sort of gone out of the remote, to sort of make sure it's fully drained. Then after those 60 seconds have passed and you've pressed sort of the buttons on the remote, then what you want to do is grab your remote again, and you want to go and put the batteries back in. So I'll go and put them back in like this, and then I'll do the other one like that. And then what you want to do is go and put the battery cover back on, of course, and you also want to go and replug your TV back in. And then once you've done that, then try turning your TV on with the remote and go and see if it will turn on and your remote's working. In this case it is. If your remote still isn't working, then what's worth doing is replacing the batteries. So come and grab your remote and press on the button on the back like this and slide it off again. And then all you want to do is go and get some new batteries for your remote. So make sure you identify what batteries these are. These are AAA, so I can go and get some new ones of these. I could take these out and put the fresh ones in and then see if it works. If that still hasn't fixed a problem, then what may be worth doing is getting a whole new remote. You can get these online pretty cheap, and hopefully that will go and fix your problem. But hopefully the methods in this video have fixed it before you need to get a new remote. If you found this useful, please leave a like.